Easy it is to put this in program mode. Take your key to your top, your access panel key, and I don't know if I can do this one-handed. You slide it forward, you pick it up so it releases that button in there. Then you slide it back, go ahead and lock it if you want. Push your finger right in the center of this thing, and there we are in program mode. You can rapid advance it, but I want to show you this feature right here, audit. That's how much money it's made since I put it in. That's how many turns it's had. You can look at all the different things you can see. You can look here and everybody's picking normal. So you can see what people are picking. Someone picked custom cycle. Number 7 people did that. But this is just a really awesome feature of these. And if you have this networked to your computer, and I'll show you, you can actually network this. So settings and machine settings, and it's gonna make a liar out of me. Here it is right here, Wi-Fi connections. And this would be the number of this machine. So you would type in whatever number you wanted, 1, 2, 10. And then you go to your Wi-Fi settings. This is all the stuff you'd have to enter, your security key. I want to show you something even cooler than this and go back to the VEN settings. Payment system settings. Look at all that. Card, kiosk, mobile, bills. So you could just go straight to bills. On coin, you can do double, or you can do a dollar and use single coins, and it's right up here. You hit this and it gives you this option. Or you can do electronic. Hit that to save. Ready to wash. Next. Next. Yep. Still in. I didn't screw it up. And there you go. That's why I said these washers are awesome. They're expensive. This 20-pound washer with the base, with install, was like right at $4,800. So this bad boy right here, this is a 60-pounder. You want to know what new washing machines are costing? I know I showed this video. I'm going to tell you real quick, because my dealer doesn't have any hold on what these cost. And I asked other laundromat owners, and they're all paying about the same. This is a Speed Queen, or would be a Hipsch touch panel, 60-pound washer, $12,900. 20-pound Speed Queen or Hipsch touch screen, stainless steel, $4,800 with the base. So it's $45,000 without the base, but $48,000 with the base and install. I'm going to show you a couple 40-pounders. I got 3 40-pounders back here. A 40-pound Speed Queen or Hipsch washer cost, what was it, $9,600. So my bases were already here, so they mounted up. So there's 3 of them. So this is one expensive little room back here. What you're looking at, 2 60s, 7 20-pounders, 3 40s is right at $100,000. From right here on back is $100,000. So we're done with this project. We're done with the other laundromat, so I'm gonna head home. It was fun. I hope you had fun. Till next time, take it easy.